English conversation practice.
What's your name? What's your name?
I'm Sarah. I'm Sarah.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from New York. I'm from New York.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 32 years old. I'm 32 years old.
What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living?
I work as a marketing manager. I work as a marketing manager.
Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sister. Yes, I have one sister.
What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies?
I enjoy playing the guitar and hiking. I enjoy playing the guitar and hiking.
Have you traveled to any interesting places? Have you traveled to any interesting places?
Yes, I've traveled to Japan and Australia. Yes, I've traveled to Japan and Australia.
What's your favorite cuisine? What's your favorite cuisine?
I love Mexican and Thai food. I love Mexican and Thai food.
Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a pigeon. Yes, I have a pigeon.
What's your favorite movie genre? What's your favorite movie genre?
I enjoy watching romantic comedies and thrillers. I enjoy watching romantic comedies and thrillers.
Where would be your dream vacation destination? Where would be your dream vacation destination?
My dream vacation destination is England. My dream vacation destination is England.
Do you enjoy outdoor activities? Do you enjoy outdoor activities?
Yes, I love hiking and camping. Yes, I love hiking and camping.
Are you a morning person or a night owl? Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm more of a night owl. I'm more of a night owl.
What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season?
I love autumn. I love autumn.